When solving an absolute value function inequality, it's going to be very similar to what we did for an equation. So we still need to isolate the absolute value brackets first. So we need to subtract our 10 to both sides. So that'll leave me with the 9 times our absolute value of x plus 8 less than 45. Now I need to get rid of the 9, so I'll divide each side by 9, and it'll leave me with the absolute value of x plus 8 less than 5. So this is exactly what I want. Just like when we have an equation, the absolute value bracket is alone and the value on the other side is positive. So again, we're going to split this into two separate problems. The first problem is exactly what we see above, just without the absolute value bracket. So x plus 8 is less than 5. Now when we do the opposite, not only are we going to make the 5 negative, but I need to flip the inequality sign. So I'm going to have x plus 8 is greater than negative 5. The reason we flip the sign is because anytime we multiply or divide by a negative number with an inequality, we flip the sign. So if I go back to my first equation and solve, I can subtract my 8 from both sides, and I get x to be less than negative 3. When I solve my equation here on the right, I also subtract 8, and my answer becomes x is greater than negative 13. So my two answers are x is less than negative 3, and x is greater than negative 13. So this can be written as one statement. The negative 13 is less than x, which is less than negative 3.